If your steam wand is releasing too much water instead of producing steam for frothing milk, don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, I'll share simple and effective solutions, along with reasons behind this issue and how to prevent it. This issue is quite common and usually happens when the machine doesn't have enough time to preheat after pressing the steam button. If the water hasn't reached the right temperature, you may see excess water coming out during steam production. Also, if you turn the steam knob without activating the steam function first, you'll get hot water instead of steam. The solution is very simple. Press the steam button and allow the machine to preheat. When the steam indicator light stops flashing and stays on, that means it's ready. Turn the steam knob to the steam position and release steam for about 10 seconds to clear any condensation from the pipes. This step is very important. If you don't release the condensation before frothing, you'll end up with unwanted water flow. Once the condensation is cleared, you're all set to froth your milk. That's it! By preheating properly and releasing condensation, you'll get the perfect steam for frothing milk every time.